In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Team Builder in NCAA 25 on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access and use the Team Builder for NCAA 25 if you are playing on an Xbox console. You are going to be able to browse through pre-existing teams that other people have made or create your own and import it into the game itself. For you to do this, you have to visit this website. So to use the Team Builder, you will not be able to do this through the game itself. You have to go over to ea.com and then go to the college football page, or simply look for the EA College Football 25 Team Builder on Google. When you arrive here, like I mentioned, you can browse through other teams that people have made, or you can create your own. So click on Create and let this load. It is going to take a while because you will have to load in all of the logos, all of the uniforms, and you will have a 3D preview of how everything looks. So it is going to take up to a minute to load. Keep in mind that you will not be able to access the Team Builder on mobile. This feature is limited to PC and laptop, so if you want to get all of the functionalities, it is important that you access this website through a web browser on your computer or a laptop. And now you are able to customize everything. For this video, I'm just going to speed through it all, but as you can clearly see, you are able to change everything, the logo. You can upload custom images even. You can change the name, so you can type in whatever you want. I'm just going to type video as an example, the nickname, abbreviation, and so on. For this video, I'm just speeding through the process to try to show all of the categories because it is supposed to be a quick, informative video, but you should spend some time and carefully choose everything. You have plenty of options to view your uniform in 3D. You can make it for both teams. You can choose the stadium, the program, and save everything into your account. Once you are satisfied, make sure that you submit this, and whenever you are online inside of the game, you can go over to the Create and Share option and then select Download Center, where you will be able to find the custom teams that you or other people have made. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Team Builder in NCAA 25 on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.